Hello? Where? I don't know. Ah! Easy! I'm not. I get a mafia. Is that all or no? What is it? What will I be? It's not even this time. Hey, the bill out. Easy. I'm not really quick. Easy. I don't know. Hey! Go. When we la if you my come on away, no, like I when what I look no one in I did do. I will get a woman in the house. Oh, it's only take up money. Not me. Well, get some muscle. Mobile. Really, I have one. We have Savannah. The real reason you know is that when you kill it. Yakama with myself. Okay, use it. Baby, that's it. You making Mama, when I know in my heart, not I know talk back. No was as you know, what am I in here? We don't know where you may make carry them. And if I don't know where about 20 years, or that by name, and in every day, and who was saying what many years soon. You will come on now. Well, you got to make it by a booty. You're wearing my idea. You're wearing my idea. What can I assume Yahweh? Yes, you want. You come on, also not a way. Mobile, me up my boy, I did that way. I did with you. You come on everywhere, Yari, came on there, see Yahweh. Yari, where you find it, Yadi, Yari, I Bawuna, you don't need a young body. You know we are doing a wabu, away in Nana, Nani, Monaka, driving a body, we have school, we have hospital. We are living no book. You walk me one night, really enough. You are doing well. So, I will my idea. Don't hold them now. But I mean, oh, my, it is a really soon. So, really, you should have the mama will be not the one in there. Who's it? The one and a bill. Over an abio. Over an abio. There I was yakking in the name of work back. The next year, or Monopa, the mamma.
talk about when
Pull over, babe.
Why would I want to pull over?
Babe, I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom, babe.
Come on, baby. See, hey, listen up.
Babe, I'm pressed. I need to use the restroom. I need to use the restroom.
I want to use this now.
I need to use the restroom, babe. Babe.
Hey.
Babe.
You can do that, okay?
What?
There's no way you can use the restroom, okay? You know, one of my be like, when you want to pee, you just enter the bush and do whatever you want to do.
No, babe, I can't do that. I can't do that.
Let me accompany you to go with.
Restroom, right? No, let's go to the restroom.
Where? Like, come on now, you don't know.
No, baby, don't say that. No, I can't. I need to use the restroom, babe.
Okay, now.
I want to pee.
Hold on. If you want to use the restroom, then you get into the car and let's go.
No, I can't take it.
Even if we get to the house, there is still no restroom. She will have to use the push as well.
No, say please, say that I can use this place, please. Please, I need the restroom, babe. What is going, babe? I'm trying, babe.
You gotta go somewhere, okay?
Oh no, babe. No, babe. What is any white animal comes out from this place?
No white animal. No white animal.
No white animal, nothing is gonna come out.
Okay. Oh, babe.
Go in there and do the shit you want to do.
Oh my God. You want me to come over?
She can use there. She can use that place. All right.
You mean this place?
Yes.
No, I can't do that shit, man. No, babe. How would you ask me to use this place? No, I can't do this.
You try to call this me. Oh, just go in there. We are you. That's it. Eh? Come on.
Yes, please. Come on.
It's not good for your health.
I've been there, okay? That's it. That's how they do it.
Babe, you mean I should go to that place? Babe, why are you laughing? Oh God. Oh God. Let me come over. No.
What about me?
No, Shane, stop that.
Sorry.
Hey, babe.
You have to pull everything.
Oh God.
You get to do this.
What's this?
I really do this.
Up your end. Okay, fine. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ask her to still go inside the beach.
Wait, I can't do that. The snake, David. Yes, I'm the snake, David. The snake, David. Let's go, babe. Let's go. Yes, let's go, babe.
I'll do that before.
Let's go, babe. I'm just snake, David.
Let's go home. So when you get home, you can win.
Okay.
But you said no.
I'm gonna take it, baby.
Oh, now you want to go home, all right?
Yes, I'll wait. I'm gonna take it.
This is where I'm getting down and new development at the road. Understand? So this road right now, I mean, if there is a road that charge this road compared to that.
Hey, pull over, babe.
What?
Pull over, babe.
Pull over for a second.
Yes, babe. Let's pull over.
What to say?
What do you want to do?
You just park.
Baby, I want to say, what's going on?
Babe, I need to smoke, babe.
What?
Yeah, babe.
Hey, come on, man. You can't do that shit while you eat, man.
Why?
This is not America. This is Nigeria.
So?
You can't do that shit while you eat.
Why can't I smoke? Because I'm Nigeria. Babe, I need to smoke. I need your lighter, please.
Hey, babe. I don't know how you're doing, man. Come on, man. Let me go see your mom, okay? So you can do
No, I can't. I can't.
Oh,
I can't hold on, babe. I need to smoke. Please give me my lighter, please.
say, let me tell you something. Hey, Daniel, okay?
Yeah.
And when my dinner is common with mega smoke. Yeah, when you smoke, you don't mind if you don't have to be responsible. Okay. And after that, you're going to see my mom so you can do that shit. Right? You stop it.
Babe, so you mean because I want to see your mom, I'm not allowed to smoke? I can't do that shit, babe. I can't do that, babe. Oh, what is up with my head, babe? I don't like that. Please, I need your lighter, please.
Okay. Hold on.
Babe, give me your lighter.
This is Nigeria, alright? This is not America. Right here in Nigeria, especially in this part of the world, okay? You are not supposed to smoke. Alright? Because, and don't forget, you want to go and see your guys or mom. You smoking will just make her feel like you are a bitch. You see what, son?
You just called me a bitch?
I mean, I'm not calling you a bitch. I'm saying that if she see you smoking, she will feel like you're a bitch.
Like a bitch?
Babe, stop that. No.
You wanna hurt me? Are you okay? You wanna hurt me? No, babe. No, bring it on. You wanna hurt me?
I want to beat out to teach you a lesson. What is wrong with you?
Oh my God. I'm gonna call the 911. on you. I'm gonna call 911 on you.
It's okay. 911, yeah, before you.
Why?
911 is not going to listen to
No, wait. You want to call me?
I want to call the 911 on you. You just hate me. You want to hate me? Then you want to hate me.
Police, let me tell you that even if you call 911 or 900, nobody is going to pick your call. This is Nigeria. And even if the police is going to come for your rescue, it's going to take at least 4 months. 4 months before any policeman can get to this part of the...
no policeman will be on your side. How you slapped a man? You slapped a man, okay?
What's wrong with you?
Slap a man.
Put yourself together.
Oh my gosh, I don't get you guys. You mean I cannot hit a man?
You can't.
But you just called me names.
Okay, we are sorry. Is that okay?
Babe, I need to smoke right now. I need to smoke.
Hey,
don't make up with everyone.
I don't fucking care if they go. I don't know.
Stop it. Don't do that again.
Babe, I need to smoke right now. I'm not living here. I need to smoke. If I'm not smoking, I'm not living here.
What the hell is wrong with you? You okay?
Oh, cry you.
When I talk to you, then you listen.
Goodness.
Come on, man. Don't do that shit with me.
Okay, am I doing anything wrong?
I need
to smoke. I thought I don't want to talk. I just need to smoke.
Bro.
You understand the way they do things.
Bro, I think you have to careful now.
Okay, fine. You want to smoke, right?
Yes, I want to smoke. Yes.
That's what you want to do, right?
Yes,
okay, fine.
I want to smoke.
Fine, you want to smoke?
Then
okay, let me get you the line.
I can't hear no more, please.
Hobby.
Thank you.
Smoke the hell out. Smoke. Yeah. You can't embarrass me. You trying to run me down. You trying to do this show with me. I don't like it. Yeah. Let's smoke that right down out of you. I think we need to talk. Wait. 1 minute, please.
Bro, organize myself first. Because when you're trying to say about it, I don't know. The way you will marry or not, I know you pay.
So listen, bro, that's just true. Okay, that's the truth. Because that is one of the reasons why I asked us to come here. Okay, because I want to speak to you. Alright? Fine, I know it's barely 2 days that I get to know your woman. When people met me in Lagos, that's fine. But this is it. This journey for us is so important. Alright? You know that we are coming to this community to work on an NGO that we are about to put here. Okay? And this NGO, you know, serves as charity organization and as a means of development to this community. And you know that our sponsor, in fact, the major part of our sponsors are religious organizations. So, what do you think will happen when they get to know that, I mean, one of us is smoking and is behaving strange in this manner? Don't you think so? Well, guys, let's say, I must confess, I must tell you guys no lie, man. I don't know where to say I'm confounded, really. But what I gotta say right here is, yeah, you guys came here, we all came here for business, right? But there's 2 things for me, right? One is business, and the other one is a reunion meeting with my mom and myself. It's been long I've been my mom. I saw my mom. Yeah. So I want to see my mom. And the reason why I did that, I brought her along, is because I wanted to meet my mom. I want to introduce her to my mom that this is the woman I want to marry. You understand? So that's 2 things for me. So I want to play with you guys. I really want to play with you guys. Please, just tolerate her. Here. I know. Whatever she's going to be doing, because she's not used to this country, okay? Whatever she's going to be doing, I want you guys to just tolerate her. That's what I want from you. Please, I beg of you. Just do that.
Can we continue like that?
I'm waiting, man. But now, in the way I'm going to already having them. Huh? I smell danger. Yes. I smell danger. All right. I just hope she's not going to spoil business for us. I'll just travel to. And how far is still the journey from here, by the way? Yeah, not too far. We're close. Yeah, we're close. Look at that. All right, guys. So talk to her. Just come with me.
So messy.
Are you sure we're going to do this?
That's what I'm saying. Okay.
See, let me tell you, the last 2 days that all of you spent at my place in Lagos.
So you had fun now?
That is the worst 2 days of my life.
But you had fun.
No, with you and
No,
with you and me. Okay, is it not the same America? All of it?
No, I was not born as well in America. I don't think all I ever born. You're coming down, right?
So you know what happened? As soon as you come down, then maybe later you find out to like
Wow, this is Africa. Nigeria and Edo State. This is Edo State, Benin City. Okay, baby. Wow.
Yeah.
Edo.
Okay, be careful. All right.
Yeah.
That's it.
I got you, baby.
I got you. I got you, babe.
Wow.
I got you. Yeah, you can see that again. Yeah. I don't know if my mom is gonna be home. Yeah, I'm more than sure she knows. She come by, right? Good to see you, Mom. Wow. Damn, look at my mommy, man. Look at my mommy. You're looking good. You're looking good. You're looking bad, bro. Yeah. My young sister, the one you told me that. Wow, she's so big. Yeah. No, man, come on, man. Your son is back home. Yeah. I'm sorry about that. I was carried away. I'm sorry. Yeah, you know, I told you, where anything and where, my body. Yeah, okay, so exactly, because any point matter.
Okay, but
yeah, okay. Yes, really, all right, really, if you do, I'm I mean, the other will not buy. My career will not there. So he come back even last 2 years he was in and village, okay, So, again, and so, Nigeria. A business partner, you know. Yes, you know. A business partner, yeah, backing, okay. Like
Mr. Jackson.
This is Mr. Jackson, aka Lily Papa. And so,
welcome.
I love you, thank you, man. You see, Echo is though currently America, but it was deported, okay? Yeah, currently America, but so I'm where we. So now Echo, though my way could because of when we in America with only. So we married on the okay. If you know taking us this marriage, no one living. So oh yeah, living okay. A business partner.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So
it's a kind of woman.
You see, that's what. Baby, just come on. You see, you know, I gotta save the best for the last. You know what I'm saying? And you know, a queenet. Although queenet. Yeah, queenet. Yeah. Oh yeah, just the way, and you know, soon where everybody here, everyone I carry, okay? But really, Odo, I know what be, or say I be here. Yeah, they live in the US. We do Mataki was and okay. I don't know where it was. I'm not be of America, where we here. I'm yet to have Miami, so it was a little, but obviously that's so, you know, hopefully, that's it. So, it went where it back here, when they are here. She's my wife to be. Yeah. Come on, Mom. What's going on?
Hi, Mom. I said hi.
Yeah, Mom. Yeah. She's going to be my wife. Come on, man. James. Oh, you up to you, Mom. Up to you. Okay, Mom. You don't do that shit, right? That's too great. That's my one, man. Come on, man. What do you want to crazy that? No, you get it just like that.
What? I don't know what. But you can't say
yeah.
Hi. You say hi to everyone.
You can say hi.
Please, I don't know.
You can say hi.
Can you take me inside? Can you check me inside? Take me inside.
Listen, when I talk to you, you listen to me. Okay. This is not US. This is Africa, Nigeria to be precise.
Can we go inside?
Okay, let's go inside.
After you.
Man,
I must confess, I love this.
Really?
I love the environment. I'm telling you honestly. I mean, what do you think? Xavier?
Wow.
Only welcome.
Wow. You see, I've really missed this. I've really missed it. So I can't wait to have that. I need that. Yeah, this is good.
anyone, I'm okay with anyone at all. I'm actually okay with anyone. Thank you very much. That your name again. Yeah, my baby. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
We're going to manage this.
Wash your hands fast.
I see that, baby. Baby, you gotta wash your hands, okay? You gotta wash your hands, okay? So we got 8 days because this is where I can wear you because I've been ready for this.
I know you must have missed.
I've been ready for this.
Anyway, I used to see everything in Lagos, you know.
Just
like that
particular one that I know your mom must have.
You are a great cook, man. No.
Oh, Father, bless this food in Jesus.
After
I love this. Still talk for me to talk about
This is that Africa, taste.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about?
What's going on? You're in it. What's up?
You want me to eat this shit?
Damn.
You want me to eat this shit?
What do you mean by what? You mean wear this shit?
Hey, I can't take this nonsense.
Come on, man. This is food, man. Come on. This is stash. A goal say.
God forbid.
Oh, you want this?
Please stop that. What is this? Babe, you don't expect me to take this kind of food.
Man, come on, there's nothing wrong with this food. This food is delicious.
You mean there's nothing wrong with it?
There's nothing wrong with it.
I stop that.
What do you call this? A go say?
Yeah, what are you trying to do?
Babe,
Come on, man.
you know I can never take
FYI, right? This is not a goosey. This is a goosey.
Say what, man? Babe, you got it, okay?
Please, I don't want to eat this. I want to eat pie and batch.
Come on, man. You can get that
What's funny?
Listen, the only pie that you'll be able to see in this village is the one that is caused by dysentery. Do you understand? That is the only pie.
Hey, Jackson, come on, man. We're joking here, man. I'm sorry.
You're too harsh. You're too harsh on our
I'm sorry.
When it was sorry, manage it.
No, I can't.
Hey, come on, man. This one is delicious. You can sit everyone. Okay.
Is this still remaining inside?
Yes.
I'll be needing
Jackson.
You see, this is filling.
I'll be needing more.
I'm gonna lock it.
I can't even taste it with my hand.
Oh.
Listen.
And you never use your hand. It's so bad.
Oh, what you want now? You want cutlery?
Yes. I need a fork.
Okay, yeah. I need a cutleries. You got cutleries? Mama. A fork, or it could be a spoon or a fork.
Okay, bro,
Yeah, if you got fork, that's fork is better.
Maybe I'm actually enjoying this.
Oh, man, come on, man. This is nice.
This shit.
Okay, let me feed you.
No.
Yeah.
You don't have fork?
They got no fork right here. Making money there.
Shit.
Queen, if you know what is good for you, use your hands. How will you cope with this spoon and this? Use your hands, please. No,
Hey, come on, man.
Shakes. I can't take the shakes. Babe, I can't do this.
Mr. Jackson.
I can't do this, baby. Babe, I can't do this.
Mr. Jackson, are you not with us?
Okay, babe. Why you don't want this, man?
Babe, I can't take this.
This is what my mom prepared for us. So why you doing this? I'm knocking, man. Come on, man.
Wait a minute. Even ìwà méjì náà ìgbà yìí ẹ̀ẹ́nà máa ń lọ́gbọ̀n pé kọ́lọ̀ lọ́gbọ̀n mú lé ẹ̀yìn ètò ẹ̀ṣì ìkáṣítì mẹ́ ìrẹ̀ ẹni mẹ́lẹ́ ọ̀ ẹ̀ṣìt.
Always shit, the mommy was son on it. That's what we're saying, but then
Woman like
we call it shit. So the real mommy always son on. You know what I'm saying? So just relax. I can handle it. No real soon on that. I can handle it.
Oh, shakes.
It's
irritating.
We are him now, Jane. Now, if I don't know, and I give it like, even a cocaine, understand. May I will you that I'm but all thanks to of a year. You was very sitting with a prayer. So you now will work out. I give my money, the other my time will enjoy. Understand? The one I give my own.
Yeah, mom.
They all say shit. You went for love of budget.
Come on, man. Jackson. You are the one who said you're trying to walk like a goat. What's that shit? Come on.
I'm a doctor, alright?
Baby, you see, you don't talk when you eat. Come on, man.
Sorry.
That's your food in your mouth.
Oh my God. Gosh. I'm fucking tired, baby.
I know, okay.
I'm not going to be on this.
Hey, done the Okay. Don't worry, you need partners, right?
Yes, baby.
So what I'm going to do for you, I know we can get that. Okay? So when you go out, I'll get that for you.
Okay.
Just relax. So,
Okay, it's fine.
I got the meat.
It's fine. I don't want anything.
It's okay.
Oh,
I actually don't want the meat.
please.
You can manage the meat.
No.
Yeah.
The meat is actually so good. I'm telling you honestly.
You know what? I'm not eating this for a long time. So,
but the meat is good. I'm not trying to tell Beverly that the meat is nice.
don't worry.
Especially when it's being eaten by someone that's not taking for a long time.
Say that.
I want to tell you, fire mad, you know. You're fire mad. Nothing you have a, you know, man. Yeah. I like this setting, man. So, let's eat this out of business, my brother. Very important, right? Yeah, man.
This is really
Yeah, well. You're welcome. Thank you very much. That's your food. Number one. Number one, yeah. Thank you very much, man. Thank you very, very much.
So, you know, I'm really tired. I'm so stressed out. I want to relax my head. So, which of the hotel are we going? You need to go to a 5-star hotel where I can have a swimming pool. I can just relax my head. I need that smile. I need a body massage. I need sleep.
Oh, that's it.
there's no hotel. So whatever we're going to do, we're going to sleep in the US. So we're going to a hotel.
Babe, you're kidding me. Are you telling me that we're going to sleep here?
Exactly, that's all.
So you mean I'm going to be staying in this dungeon?
Hey, come on, babe.
Oh shit.
From my house, a dungeon. Hey, come on, man. Stop that.
No, babe, I can say this, dude. I can't take this shit, man.
This house you call a dungeon is where we're going to be sleeping.
Oh my god. Babe. Oh my god. I can't stay here. I can't stay here, dude. I just can't stay here.
Listen up. You see, that is what our NGO is trying to do. For bringing development like hotels and all that, okay? So you just start relax yourself.
You just trying to
manage. You have to manage, okay? Then we will go to the city, then we can get a hotel over there. But we're in this village, so we're going to sleep in here. This is my father's house.
What? Oh my god. I can't believe this. Babe. Babe, no electricity, nothing, no swimming pool, nothing. How am I going to take my bath? Oh my god, babe. I can't stay. Mr. Stay here. No. Oh, it's a thing. Oh my god. Oh, Baba.
It's okay.
No, it's a thing. Oh, babe. Babe, I will try to do something, you know.
babe, just take me to you know.
When you do all of that, so you get to the city, okay? That's it. What you have to do for all is to manage the trust right now. Please, this is the part of the reason we came here. The NGO sent us here because of such reasons, you know? So please, just try to manage it.
Yeah, because we are actually planning to bring development, hotel, you know, hospitals and other things. So for now, we're setting manage here, you know. You know, just try and setting manage here, you know. Oh, sorry, bro, sorry.
The bar like Jackson now.
But somebody need to tell her the truth now. There is no hotel here.
You get that? There is no hotel here. Buwaria ni ma petu na bana. Buwari ni bana. Ogwe hotel re ma na wa ma ka gbe ko wa. Ogwe jo ni ma petu na ni bana na. O ma ka ma go we ra. Gigwe ni ma kere na. E ma na be obi oda obi me na no to ta kuwe na. Mu go se le bonya na. E ma na bio. E ma na wa.
Yeah.
I just make a baby. I never had baby.
Yeah, you know, and make the understand, and you know, I'm shit. I can't do this.
Umati wewe. Umati ya like wewe ya na ne pe lu la re no be gba ya. Ime bi do yo na una. Wa ya na o be pe. Wa ya o be pe ra. Uni wa pale go e, wa ma ka gba yo ke mo pe de ade. Yo ni se la o, we ma he we ya. We mo eji, won no wa ma o de. If you know what may give it, this is our first time here. So almost to a year and a half. What you well we made by you were what ma. Nobody may not motor. What you ma? They will not say it. Anybody when I say when you would do it. The first time what they are somehow. Yes,
you know, it's just our first time here.
First time here. Well, you know the lady. Come on, one. All one.
It's okay, ma.
I don't know how to take this, you know.
You will take it.
Oh. It's serious, you know. I just don't know how to explain this whole thing.
I understand.
Yeah, it's so frustrating.
I know. Come on, you're not gonna die.
So this is it, my dear. Let me explain it to you, alright? This is a village, alright? In this village, I'll go sleep.
Yes, calm.
Well, I don't understand Jackson. Jackson is just all the time.
Anyway, Jackson.
Sorry, I forgot my power bank. Good night, love.
You're so
So what do you want? You like to take a slow? Let me take you back. You want to? No, I just want to relax. I want to relax. I really want to. Okay.
I'll go.
I'm inside.
You see, this is not right. This is not nice, okay? You gotta take it slow. Come on, man. Huh? Hey, I ain't with you. Oh, I ain't with you. Oh, that's my mom. The way we are here with that way here now, I continue with you, and my mom is not gonna like it. You understand? And even after saying you way, man, quitting here, I got no choice. Yeah, so what can I win? You're trying to please my mom. I know where you're not used to this kind of life. You've not been to this kind of a place before, but when we are here, you just have to manage. Oh, why don't you wait here, dungeon? If I not be man, only where you were. So what you saying, man? Come on, man. If I can live here, then you have to, you have to live here with me.
Wait, hold on.
Are you trying to tell me that if your mother did not approve of us, then you can't go ahead with the marriage plan? If she does not approve, then we can just go to America and just get married. You know it is.
No, it doesn't work like that, my darling. It doesn't work like that over here. This is African, okay? So she must approve it. That's it.
Good.
Okay?
Oh, Salogua.
So try to do something, making one way, you know, at least not be pleased, you know. I know even if it's not going to be 100%, or like 80%, you know what I'm saying?
I'm just trying my best.
Like 80%.
I'm just trying my best, baby. I'm just trying. I'm trying.
You have to try more.
Oh, shit.
You have to try more, okay?
But this house is too dirty, baby.
I don't come by house or dirty house. This is where I was born.
You mean it?
Exactly.
Oh, gosh.
Come on, man.
Oh.
This is Africa. Okay? It's okay. You just have to cook. Huh? You're looking at the house and say the house is scary. Wow. Can we be fast?
Have you seen him anywhere?
Oh, I saw him before now. He's coming and let him know. Hey! Oh, what? I'm not doing this.
Baby, you just have to.
Okay.
No, there's nothing wrong with that, babe. Come on, man. There's nothing wrong with that. I mean, see, you baited yesterday there. So you just baited today.
I told you yesterday. I told you I'm not gonna bait there today again. Just take me to anywhere I can just have my bath. I need to have a good bath.
I know, but you see, we're all baited, okay? So now we're okay. You're supposed to do that.
I don't care. Don't tell me that. You know, it's not my business.
Decide to see what we're going to do. See, okay?
But I told you yesterday.
Listen. Hello, Queenette.
Yeah?
Today is not that day at all. Yes, please. Do you understand me? We were supposed to be out there right now doing our site viewing because we have a lot to do today. So please, not the right time. At least business before pleasure, please.
I'm not disturbing anybody. I'm not disturbing anybody. I just want to take my bath, and I won't go there. I'm not going to take my bath there. I've told you.
Oh yeah. There's a mirror.
Stop, Jackson.
Hey, Jackson.
Walking.
It's fine. I'm the black person here. It's fine.
Who is that? What?
What you get that?
What you say? At least I said it.
Jackson, stop. You know what, Queenette? Just go take a bath and let's go. Time is not on our side. Please.
So that
it's just the 3.
You just need to take a bath.
Johnny is going to be a very interesting one.
It's not allowed, so do not
just take a bath. Here is the bucket. Just take a bath.
This is
so we can go.
Babe, I'm trying to figure something. I don't know. I'm trying to.
No. I know you're trying to figure out something.
Okay. Huh? What's the
Oh, yeah, mother, son, what was that? Huh? What was that? I can't remember. What you told me, what you just told me.
No. We may guide with him. I do what you where Otis is on the bar. Wado Emmy, the yard baby, way of the I don't know what to them. We carry out better. I don't know. You are power to very what it is where who can know what Mrs. Emma, you were a cool guy. Where was he, man? Man was the way better than what to them. You know what I do every year. And every year, you can't do yourself. You have in the coming on. Oh, Nazi. I'm a NIMOSE. What can you know?
Yeah, almost your mom will say, I don't care. I don't give a damn about that. Okay? Now, we're telling we're better with back in the area. My wife to be when you wear wine, okay, ordinary, and the rest of we're preparing for over 2 years now, okay. Okay, 2 years of we found and markets with Rossi, okay. Now only a year, when you okay, maybe now,
oh no. Lebe ma kona. Losu
we insulting you insulting me.
Maybe I rag one where can you only Zebane, Agua. Only your poor, not a yoga, woman to
where not see it, no, not rest that way. Maybe near
Pamasia, Emon.
He does say, I
like it. But they all no money and what they we go. I don't know whether it may have. I walk with the one. We were after the day one. Oh, we had a cleaning letter with and we don't Moses and we're not one. We have a more having show. Here Moses and then we're Guyana. We were here by
every no hour send them on a year. And let me tell you, no, so I'm where only where 1 year is because where it cannot cooking or look at it can run out, not okay, one level, okay? When we're moving on here, everyone not okay. When you moving on here, everyone not okay. Oh, 2 different words, America, come on, man, with time, eh? You're going to be used to my work. You're going to be used to it. Yeah, we're telling you so you just calm down, try to get along. Okay,
every man where you are, you are. Nana. When I tell you, no, Nania, I didn't make guy on Nania. Why, we will worry Nania. I met you, I will go your home. Unari, Urime Soto. A decade, they will. Mimiaya, when you say Yamio, we are no Nania, only way out. Oh, you want only a dog pataki. Oh, you and I, only when I worry. Well, whenever was in I said,
yeah, 1 year or Nana, where more and I don't know where you brought her from, okay? But when I'm one of you, and no, we brought you one. NIMOSE can look at just take her back.
NIMOSE, what you go at Why you go to lazy banner? A Buruku,
you go by Dolly, eh? It can look at just take her back. And then you come out, we're not talking here.
We are not talking.
I don't like it. So when we're here, I don't like her. Okay. Wow. So she's a bush girl. So I don't want to.
Oh, yes, school.
What school you? Why you compare with them?
Well, I said, oh my God,
damn, I don't like that. Come on, man. Come on, man.
You are calling them. Go
I don't understand.
Yes, I don't like it.
The truth is,
I'm smelling it.
Oh, what right there?
So that's far. I get down here. Can we?
Yeah. Let's go.
We should go like we should go.
Yeah, like Justin, I don't understand. Like we should go, like we should go.
Okay, like for the sites, views, right? That for the business.
Yeah.
As if there is no business that you have to settle at home. Brother, talk to me. I'm your friend.
For that, let's forget about that, okay? She want me to marry that bush girl, so I ain't book one over. Hey, come on, man! You don't laugh at everything I say, man. Come on.
I just see what's good.
But you tell me now. You also put it down. You like what?
I like her.
That bush girl. Oh, you know I didn't marry that girl. You book with me out of
Listen. Hello, someone, let me just tell you.
Okay.
Your mom is right.
How?
On the more serious note, I know I've never been this serious before, okay?
Okay.
When you ask me, I think I really like that girl.
Yes!
Like the bush girl.
She
America.
even look at her makeup, she has a little touch of Africa, kind of combination.
You want to say
And
Yes, you're trying to mock me, right?
I said you just say, when did you just say now? It's always a clap.
on a more serious note, I like her. She's better than your queen.
I know that you're acquainted. I know you guys don't get along too well, man. I know that, but Queenette is my wife to be. So I love Queenette.
I know.
Okay. So you guys just have to just with me, maybe I'm Queenette or whatever post girl we do. Did you see her makeup? Did you see what she did?
Of Africa,
That's wrong, man.
Baby!
Honey,
that's of the devil.
Yeah, baby.
yes, right.
Hey,
That's right.
oh,
Yeah, what?
what just happened?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah,
Okay, yes. I'll see you soon. I'll come here.
I want to know what just happened. Excuse me, Queenette. Having a running stomach. Let me go use. No problem, suit yourself. Babe, there will not soon. What happened? Can you just explain to me? I need to know what your mom told you. I don't understand because you asked you said you want to see your mom. So just tell me what did she tell you, please.
You see, babe, my mom wanted me to marry the bush girl. Yeah, but see, honey, see, I ain't gonna do that, okay? See, even I book one you a bush girl now, compared to her anyway. So did you see her makeup? You see what she just did? I wonder what you going to out to that already cannot I understand. So honey, for real, man. See, you are my wife, okay? You're the woman I love. See, I'll do everything to maintain this relationship to make sure that yes, and that we both get married. So I mean, you just forget about that. Forget what my mom said. I'm gonna fix everything, okay? Okay, so that
No problem.
You know I love you. You know how much I love you.
I know.
You know that, huh? You know.
No problem. Just you need to fix it.
Oh, of course, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. I'm going to can you give me a hug, man? Give me a hug, like.
Anyway, babe.
Yeah.
Akwene no ta mare banwe ni ba. I want to give it a try, and
Oh yeah, you want me to ride it? Oh, that's fine. Maybe it's a good experience,
Okay.
See, I want to experience this African, okay? So we can experience it so that we'll go to South America.
Okay, babe. Let's go. So
I'm going to stand there and watch you, babe.
Yeah. Okay. You are me.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Let's go.